This is the continuation of our segment 3, contour image, under the section and navigation ng ating examples. This is the contour image. Test combinations of contouring, field contouring, and image plotting. For contour leveling, we have the contour demo example. Field contours, image origin upper, image origin lower, origin from RC reversed y-axis. Contour level demo. Contour demo example. Define our surface. Make contour levels with custom level formatters. Level contours with arbitrary strings using a dictionary. Use a formatter. The use of the following functions, methods, classes, and modules is shown in this example. Ito yung references. Contour demo. Contour F demo. Automatic contour levels. Word length anomaly. Nonsense tree mask regions. Sa pinaka-gilid, may title na sentence length anomaly. Then verbosity coefficient. Explicit contour levels. Listed colors, tree mask regions. Extension settings. 4 possible extend settings. Extend neither, extend both, extend min, extend max. Orient contour plots using the origin keyword. Origin upper, origin lower. Then our references. Contour F hatching. Demo field contour plots with hatch patterns. Yung mga hatch patterns. Plot hatches without color with a legend. Contour F and log color scale. References. We can download yung sources or yung codes, parameters, Jupyter Notebook, Python source code. Contouring the solution space of optimizations. Ito yung pinaka-illustration and then the coding. Sabi dito, ito ay paggamit ng mga curves. May mga malalaking values, tapos yung mga contours niya nasa kaliwa. May mga angle parameters measured by 0. Yung kanyang value ay nag-i-increase to the left. Consequently naman, pag ginamit daw yung tick stroke, nag-i-illustrate to na may constraint sa optimization. Yung sa angulo niya should be set between sa pagitan ng 0 at ng 180 degrees. And then, B-Box image demo. Itong B-Box image demo, may mga codes. Ito test. Tapos yung gradient colors, mas madami yung naging kulay niya. And can be used to position an image according to a bounding box. This demo shows how to show an image inside a text.text bounding box as well as how to manually create a bounding box for the image. Ito yung pinaka-coding niya din. Ayun. Ang daming demo hanggang meron pang fig image demo. Creating annotated heat maps. A simple categorical heat map. Title, Harvest of Local Farmers in Tons or Year. Naka-divide, may cucumber, tomato, lettuce, asparagus, potato, wheat, barley. Tapos, Naka-define din kung sa barley, ang farmer niyan, si Farmer Joe. Sa wheat, sino yung farmer niyan? Kung sino yung nag-farming nung specific product na yon. Using the helper function code style, yung harvest time per year, harvest image anti-aliasing, may zoom interpolation, near space data, interpolation anti-aliased, space data, space RGBA, unsampled by factor interpolation, anti-aliasing, clipping images with patches. Patch. Pwede tayo magdikit ng images. Ito yung niya, nakalagay yung image, kung anong title ng pinaka PNG or JPEG na pwede natin i-attach. Many ways to plot images. Set title, MRI. This is how it looks. Image masked. Green means low, red means high, blue means masked with boundary norm. Codes. Pinapakita yung boundary norm to get a field contour effect. Image non-uniform. Non-uniform image class, nearest, bilinear, bilinear. Blend transparency with color in 2D images. Gradient. Modifying the coordinate for matter. Interpolations for I am show. This is how it looks with their corresponding titles. Contour plot of irregularly spaced data. Grid and contour, tri-contour. Sa pinakaunang image, merong 200 points. Sa nakalagay meron pang 20,000 grid points. Pangalawang image, tri-contour, 200 points. Nakalagay. No? Then, layer images. Visualize matrices with Macho. Multiple images. P-color images. Default, no edges or no border lines, contrary to the thick edges. May thick border lines. Comparing P-color with similar functions. P-color mesh grids and shading. Flat shading. Flat shading, same shape grid. Auto shading. Gouraud shading. References. P-color mesh.